So today we have the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort 2 Valentine's Day. Now it comes in this grey Jordan box, but the box is different. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've never owned the Comforts before, so maybe this is the standard box, I'm not sure, but it's definitely different to me. The box is just, it's nice with the Wings logo. It is nice, and I'm sure it is because of Valentine's Day. You have, you know, the light pink, the dark pink on the box, as well as red on the inside. What the hell is that, man? What goes that? Now, this is a bit different. I've never seen this before. I mean, again, it's nice. And here are the sneakers themselves. Now, straight out of the box, you can tell it is a bit girly because of the shiny velvet that they have put on everywhere. And just so we are clear, this is a women's release. I'm not suggesting that, you know, these are for men and they just made it look girly. No, this is a women's release. The quality on this, the quality is fantastic. Surprisingly, I was not expecting that. You know, you got the Wings logo, which is red, velvet everywhere. But the reason I was drawn to these shoes is because of that, the embroidered text on the back. It says anywhere, anytime, and I just thought that looked really cool. And I just had to see it in person, you know, that's all it is. That's the only reason I bought this shoe. And just looking at this though, I mean, the velvet is shiny, the velvet is, it feels nice. But the quality, man, the leather quality on this is absolutely crazy. I don't know why. And I think it's real leather, but, you know, premium leather. And if it isn't, they have fooled me, I guess, because again, man, it just feels and looks extremely nice. This entire toe box is velvet. The tongue is red as well as the heart. I love that they included 2 extra pairs of laces, but the gray ones that are already on there, they look fantastic in my opinion. But I'm sort of like interested in seeing the black ones. Not so much the red ones, but definitely the black ones. But yeah, man, I'll definitely put them on. I'll definitely put the red ones on as well, just so I can show you guys. And again, man, I've never bought these Comforts before, but they are quite different, aren't they? They have holes there, look. As you can see, I don't know what that's for. What is this? I mean, are these supposed to be more comfortable like the name suggests? Why aren't normal Air Jordan 1s comfortable? Why are these comfortable and they are not? It's just, I have so many questions, you know. So much going on at the moment in my head. So the outsole is quite different to normal Air Jordan 1s as well. You have this two-tone, like the red and the white. And then you have a cutout section. But the white part is very squishy, foam-like, if you will. And the red parts are just a bit more stiff. I mean, here are the laces. You have reds, you have the black ones. Some information on the shoes. It says dynamic architecture, reimagined collar, tongue and forefoot construction for ankle, flexibility midfoot, containment, and forefoot, what's that say? Expansion. Okay. And then you also have lightweight and breathable, engineered to offer proper support and breathability in a lightweight construction. Yeah, Formula 23 foam. Yeah, look, like I said, it's foam. It feels like a foam. But yeah, I mean, that's it. Look, I just read you the entire card, and that's a gift from me to you. But yeah, I mean, look at the writing. The writing does look extremely cool, if you ask me. But the red, the velvet is just a bit too much, man. I mean, but you guys know what? If the velvet was replaced by leather, I would have definitely kept this shoe for myself. I'm telling you guys, because the quality is exceptional. And I'm not even sure if it's real leather or not. But if it is, great quality. And if it isn't, they have fooled me. And I've got nothing else to add to this, man, to be honest. But anyways, guys, I mean, let's carry on with the on feet. Now, on feet, I have something to say about this one. Because this is a women's release, and I'm not sure if every single Zoom Comfort is like this, but it was extremely tight getting my foot into the shoe. As soon as I put these on, it started hitting my pinky toe a little bit, and I don't know if it's because it is a women's release and I should have gone half a size up. I don't know. I mean, it might be my fault. I can't say. I'm not entirely sure at the moment. But comfort wise, I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. For me personally, these are not comfortable at all. I don't know. I mean, I just don't know. I don't know why. But I've had these on my feet for around 40 minutes, I'd say. I think it was close to an hour, and it just started hurting a little bit. I don't know if you need to give them time and break them in. Like I said in the beginning as well, I've never owned a Zoom Comfort Air Jordan 1 before, so this is sort of like my first time, my first one. But yeah, I got nothing else to say to this, man. But you know, comfort wise, it's not there. And normal Jordan 1s, they feel a bit more comfortable at first. But yeah, I mean, I really need to test these a little bit more and, you know, give them time for a few days maybe, and then decide, you know, whether these are comfortable or not, and probably give you guys an update on that. But as I'm recording this now, I have given it around an hour and the comfort is just not there. Now, crease test wise, you guys will be perfectly fine, because obviously it's velvet, it's not going to get creased, and if it does, you're not going to tell much anyway. And you know, just from the crease test, I can tell it's going to be a bit more durable than leather. But again, I mean, I'd love to see leather, man. I'd love to see leather toe box. The leather, the whole velvet just replaced by leather would be absolutely fantastic, and it would definitely be a shoe I'll be keeping myself, because the colorway and, you know, the text on the back has just drawn me to it in a way. And yeah, but let me know what you guys think, man. I mean, would you wear these? Is this a sort of shoe that you'd go for? Because they haven't sold out. I can clearly see they are still sitting, which I wasn't expecting. I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. Being a Valentine's Day edition, being a special edition, and even the text on the back, you know, I was thinking that it would have sold out by now. Now I'm gonna put these black laces on for you guys, and just for you guys to see. So here they are. These are the black laces. Here they are in hand, and here they are on feet. So what do you think, guys? I mean, the grays, the black, I'm sort of like leaning towards the black ones now that I see them. I do think they look quite cool, but you know, but the gray ones are not to be messed with, man. I mean, the gray ones do look nice too, but I'm sort of like leaning towards the black ones now. So here are the red ones in hand, and just looking at it, I do think that the red is overdone now. It's not for me. I don't know if you guys like him. What do you guys think? Would you rock these with the red laces? Yeah, let me know. So here they are on feet. I mean, on feet they don't look too bad, to be honest, but I do like to have a bit of contrast. And the red ones are just, they're not it for me, you know. They're overdone in my opinion. Would I be keeping them? No, I'll definitely will not be keeping these. I will sell these on, because the velvet is just overdone. I mean, it's just too much velvet, shiny velvet, you know, shiny red velvet. It's just, it's a big no for me. I'm gonna be honest. So, like I said, man, if they were leather, 110% I would keep these for myself. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's it for today. If you have any questions, do let me know below, and I will see you guys on the next one.